In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up segments in Kit. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create dynamic groups of subscribers so you can send more targeted and effective emails without a lot of manual work. First, make sure you're logged into your Kit account and you're on the main dashboard. From there, look for the Grow section in your navigation menu. Once you see Grow, click on it and then choose Subscribers. This is where all of your subscriber data lives, and it's the starting point for creating segments. On the Subscribers page, take a look at the right-hand side of your screen. You should see an option that says Create a Segment. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the Segment Builder, which is the area you'll use to define exactly who should be included in your new segment. Next, you'll be asked to name your segment. Take a moment to choose a clear, descriptive name that tells you at a glance who is in that group. For example, instead of something vague like List 1, try using names like Recent Subscribers Last 30 Days or Customers Interested in Shoes. A good naming convention makes it much easier to manage multiple segments over time and helps your team stay organized. After you've entered the name, it's time to define your criteria. Click on Add Filter. This is where you tell Kit which subscribers should be included. You'll see different options you can choose from, such as Subscribe to with tag or date. Tags are really useful if you've labeled subscribers based on their interests, actions, or where they signed up. Dates are helpful when you want to focus on how recently someone joined your list, or to create segments based on time frames, like people who subscribed this month. You can combine different filters to narrow down your audience even more. As you adjust your filters, pay attention to how many subscribers match your criteria so you know your segment size. Once you're happy with your filters and segment name, click Save. When you do this, Kit creates a dynamic group. That means the segment will update automatically as new subscribers meet your criteria or existing ones fall out of it. You don't have to rebuild or manually update the segment every time your list changes. And that's it. You've set up a segment in Kit that will keep itself up to date and help you send more relevant, targeted messages to the right people.